having fun together.
Just thinking about it gives them a warm feeling inside.
The spirit of Christmas, Abby. And these 2 words.
So the Christmas spirit is really about being here with all of you.
Yeah, and having the Christmas spirit doesn't have to be on just this one day. It can be every day. Keep Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, you can keep it near. Think of this Christmas day, when Christmas is far away. Keep Christmas with you all through the year.
When Christmas is over, say some Christmas cheer.
These precious moments, hold them very dear.
And keep Christmas with you all through the year.
It's the magic word.
Christmas means the spirit of giving, peace and joy to you, all of you. The goodness of loving, the gladness of living, these are Christmas too.
Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, say some Christmas cheer.
These precious moments, call them very dear, and keep Christmas with you all through the year. Yes, keep Christmas with you. Keep Christmas with you all through the year. All through the year.
Whoa, I get it. It's a rule that is better get. You want to
I
turkey.
know about Christmas,
Oh,
but I really did. Because I love my family and friends and all of you.
And that, Abby, is the true meaning of Christmas. And do you know what we...
Okay, well, yeah. Take a stop it by.
I'm gonna go back and shake your mom, shake your ass, people. I'm gonna shake your ass,